Hey everyone, in the last video, I have shown you how to download and install Python, right? Now that Python is installed, it's time to write your very first program. So we will be using Python's built-in tool, IDLE. And remember, if you want step-by-step guidance, live practice, and doubt clearing, I run live Python classes. Check the description below to contact me for the complete syllabus, schedule, and fee details. Now, first let's open IDLE. So go to your search bar and type IDLE here. And then you can click on it. So this window is known as Python shell. So this is an interactive environment where Python executes your code instantly. So let's print our first message. Type print, open and close the parenthesis, and inside parenthesis you have to put the two quotation marks, and in between these quotation marks you can write your message like hello world and then hit enter. Wow, Python just spoke to you. So this print function simply tells Python to display whatever text you put inside quotes onto the screen. So this ideally is not just for text. It is also a smart calculator. So we can type here 3 plus 4 and it will give you the result. Similarly, 10 multiplied by 2 and it will give you the result. You can test quick math or small code snippets right here on the fly. So congratulations, you just wrote and executed your first Python code. In the next video, we will learn how to save your code into a proper file so you can run it anytime. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the next lesson. See you in the next one.